What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Guys, look at that. We're up on the mountains, and hopefully today we can find some trout. This beautiful mountain lake. We just got done setting up all our lures right now. This lake is only a single point hook, barbless. So we had to fix our rooster tails and take the treble hook to a single hook setup. So with that said, thank you all so much for watching. We're up in the mountains. That place over there, it's a famous hiking place, and we'll check that out later. So let's go to the lake and let's see what this day has for us. Alrighty, this lake is pretty low right now. Usually you can't even see those. Yeah, we're gonna start here, work our way around and see if we get a bite. We're gonna be using a rooster tail and orange. We'll start with orange and then we'll move colors as we go. Barbless hook right here, rooster tail, and let's get fishing. At first I thought there was a bunch of trout because there's bubbles all over the place, but it's just the earth breathing. So all right, let's target those boulders because that's where fish tend to be on the hiding spots. So they like to hide around those places. So let's give it a swing. So we just finished this spot. Time to move on, but I spotted something. We spotted something. Look at that. That is a treasure. We don't want in our lakes. One litter less makes the planet a better place. There you go. Check this out. You guys want to go inside a tree? There you go. You guys see anything in here? Man, look at that old tree. Yep. Can already see a nice trout hiding there when this thing gets more water. Litter number 2. Come on, White Claw. Oh, litter number 3. Oh, we found another litter number 3. Figuring our way out. So before the sun sets down, let me show you guys something beautiful. Fish on. Oh, we got a fish. Oh, come on. Let's go, baby. Guys, oh, we lost him. We lost him. Oh my goodness. It was, let's go back out there. Oh my God, let's go back out there. That's what happens when it's barbless. That's what happens when it's barbless. All right, trash where it belongs. And plastic bottle. All right. Alrighty guys, we're breaking a little sweat. We had to kind of jog our way out before we get locked in here, but what a day, what a day. Beautiful day to be out here. It has been raining here in Seattle, and today we had opportunity. It cleared up, but rain is on the forecast once again, and I had to bring you guys along to this mountain lake. This mountain is called Rattlesnake, and you can hike it all the way to that top over there. And if you like to fish, you can also fish, hike. It's a beautiful, beautiful mountain hike and lake that I would recommend if you ever visit Seattle, Washington. With that said, we didn't land that one. We did hook one. It took us 4 hours, literally 4 hours to go all around the lake. And towards the end, we got that fish on, but we didn't land it. But that is fishing. I'm glad we came out here, enjoy this beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. So hope you guys liked those shots. If you did, hit that thumbs button down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss more content coming up. Fishing is slowly picking up, and we'll be out here to chase him. So with that said, hope you guys all have a blessed day. Stay safe, wear your life jackets, and I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Till next time.